Hello everyone. Continuation to the previous video. Who am I? I'm a user one user. So how to change a password using password user one then username. I need to supply this user one's old password. So I'm going to change of user two. It shows the unauthorized to change the password. Now how to change another user password? If you have a root user, then you can able to change the password, or else my primary and secondary group is staff. So instead of root, security is also one more there group. Exit. Here it asked user to old password. In this situation, user to password you must know. So instead of that, user is already compliant, he don't know the password. So pwdadm user 2. See here this is the command to change the user 2 password. Changing the password for user 2. Here asking the password for user 1. Here who am I? User 1 only. So self authentication is required here. It's success. So what is pwdadm? This command is used to change of any ordinary user. The root user or a member of a security group can supply or change the password of the user any specified by the user parameter. Root user can also give password and username also, but it directly goes to change this one only, enter user to new password only, whereas as the security group of users can modify of another user, so self authentication is required here. Cat etc security password. What this file contains? It contains users password information. This is not the password, this is the encrypt one. So here user and required fields. The entire of this user is called one stanza of daemon, stanza of bin. Here user 1 stanza, user 2 stanza. Okay, This file contains 700, sorry, 600, 4 plus 2, 6. This folder contains 750. Only root and security. Root can do anything, but security group just read only. Okay, others not. So here, password. What is password? This is not the real password. This is the encrypted password. Last update means the password was changed since January 1st, 1970. So how to see this one? Currently is the command to see the time. This one, date. So previously I changed this one. This one just now we changed here. Just now we changed. After that, this user is doesn't have flags, but this user have this flags. What is flags? How many flags we have? Flag specifies the restriction applied by the login. The su command, passwd command. The value is can be ADM change or admin. And one more last one, no check. What is ADMIN? Only root can change the password. Here admin change. So any here just now we changed. This is a part of security group. So that's why ADM changed, admin changed the password. No check means none of the system password restrictions such as minimum length, maximum characters, password age. So this thing will not check if we mention no check. It just ignore the and directly log into the system. Admin change means on admin change the password. So here only, so let's see. Now see what happened. It is a security. So its flag is gone. Why? Because user just now changed his password. How to change the flags? I mean any attribute of any value in this security group using chsec is the command to change any modification of the security group. Instead of that, we can use vi also, but simultaneously more people are doing the same work, so it's a mismatch. So that's why use use chsec fnf. F means what is the file, security, password. Hyphen S means stanza, user 2. Hyphen A means attribute, here flags, ADMIN. Okay, now only admin can change the password. Let's try. See, you are not authorized to change the password. User 2, you don't have a permission. Just password. Password, same thing. If we mention password and username or password, whatever, here the admin only change for user 2. How to remove? chsec -f/etc security password -as user 2 -a flags equal to nothing. That's it. Let's see one more file. Yes sir, lib security mk user dot default. Here, if a normal user is created by default, primary group is staff, a secondary group is also staff. Shell should be this one, home directory. For any admin user using mk user -a command will create this one. Primary group is system and groups also system. Shell should be this one, home should be this one. If you want to change by default while creating any user, you can modify here. This will automatically affect when next time we are going to create any user. User lib security mk user.sys. What is this file contains? From here, okay. It is just seeing only, it's just shell script only. Whatever the user needed, the permissions and dot profile, path variable, everything exists here. Now, who who means whoever log into the system, it will display here. What it really reads the file, this file. When we enter who, it will internally read this file. For example, if we remove this one, it is a wtmp, nothing will happen. Just it automatically creates its empty file. Wait, if any user is able to log in, now we went on who nothing is displaying because no one is newly joined into the system. Let's try with this one, user 2. Here who, etc Okay, file exists. Yes, it's exist. Okay, one more file where ADM WTMP. This file is also there. This file contains who or log into the system. Then this file is updated. If we remove this one next time, any user log into the system, then it automatically create and update this one. What is this file? Any user log out from system, that information exists here. How to read this one last? This one is a still login, logout, logout, logout. See, root user one rebooted, shut down, anything. So here, if we remove slash var adm wtmp 2 slash tmp wtmp last, nothing is displaying. It shows the error also. So the file is moved to from this location. If you want to see alias last f means we are going to supply file. Okay, so instead of that, just remove, keep it as original. Okay. Slash etc no login. What is this file? This file is not exist. If we create just touch only, nothing to insert anything on that file, no login. Now I'm going to trying to log in this one, permission denied, user one permission denied, root also. Oh, root can able to log in. Only root can able to log into the system if any system maintenance activity is going on. So instead of saying every user, just create this one. It contains nothing, no need to mention any user here. Just touch etc no login. If we reboot the system in the booting process, the etc no login file is automatically removed. Cat slash etc motd. When any user log into the system, it will display this entire thing. Now I don't want this one. I need to modify. Just I'm making the backup. Now I'm going to exit and log in. See, You can change whatever you want. This is when a user log into the system, it automatically displays. This is the MOTD means message of the day. Whatever you want, just make change here. etc. MOTD.